Hey friends, this is Brian with Ky Woodsman. Out here doing a little bit of a early morning squirrel hunt, and thought I'd go ahead and try my luck out here and see what I can find, and then maybe cook up some breakfast here. So stick with me here on the Ky Woodsman. Okay friends, I've been walking down through here and looking, and I tell you what, it's tough being a cameraman and a hunter, because I've had 3 squirrels that I could have shot if I wasn't messing with the camera trying to get it lined up and everything, and ended up not being able to get them because they were gone by that time. So walking down the path here a little bit and saw another gray squirrel here and shot it, but you know, it was one of those things again. It jumped on the side of a tree and it was getting ready to tear out, and it was either line the camera up or get it, and I like to taste the squirrel, so went ahead and picked him off. But anyway, I guess when I go ahead and get me a GoPro, then we'll be seeing a little bit more action on the squirrel hunting side of it. So I got me a nice gray squirrel over here, and gonna go ahead and pick him up and then cook up some breakfast. So let me show him to you and then stick with me. And there lays the quarry right there. So, well, got a little bit hungry here. Got a squirrel, and I figured I'd come down here to the creek and go ahead and cook something up for breakfast. So, got some cedar bark. I'll show you. There's a lot of cedar trees around here. There we go. There we go. We got fire. And all we're wanting is a few coals to cook on. Well, what do you think of that, huh? That looks pretty good. Hickory smoked bacon. Well, I forgot to wash my cup out from the last time I went. Here's how we used to do it. Back in the day, you get a handful of sand from the bank and you scour it around. It's the best scouring pad there is. Clean as anything now. There we go. That'll be a nice cup of coffee. Okay, let's let her cook up a little bit and then we'll do the eggs. Okay, let's give her a try here. They're pretty good. Bacon. Boy, the bacon turned out real good. That's delicious there. I wanted to come out here and pick off a squirrel and maybe make some bacon and eggs and try them out by the creek and just sit down and relax and enjoy it. And so far it's been a success, and got me some fine bacon and eggs out here, and just going to enjoy the creek and the peaceful and quiet. And you know, this is all that we need sometimes. Some of us can just unwind in a half a day and sitting there watching the creek water, and that's me. So I'd like to thank you for joining me here on the Ky Woodsman, and I will see you on the next episode. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.